When someone mentions to you lead generation or bookings, generating more appointments online through advertising, etc. like that, I'm pretty sure you get bamboozled by the fact of how the hell you're going to do that. And these gurus out there don't want to tell you exactly the secrets. Today, well, I've got something very, very special for you. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it as an agency for our clients. I want to just put out their disclaimer. Right, the disclaimer was as simple as this. I just want to say that if this is something that interests you and you don't have the time to task this on your own plate or put it in your own diary for you to do, we would love to take it off your hands. So that's the disclaimer I have. I didn't want to make this video anything salesy. So with that out the way, let's jump straight in and I'll show you how to do it. And if you want to, like I said, get in touch with us and let's see what we can do for you. The different industries that this has helped: contractors and construction workers, nail and beauty salons, optometrists, many service-based businesses actually, and we got fencing, we got e-commerce brands, personal brands, and we do this worldwide for clients. So I just want to share this with you. If you're getting this email randomly from some guy like me, my name is Nathan Visser and I'm from South Africa. My agency is called 333. If you'd like to contact us, just send me an email back, or you can contact us via our website, 333.coza. Now, without making this video too unnecessarily long, I'd love to take you into my computer here quickly and I'll show you how to do this, because if you understand the rules around the system of how to generate leads for your business, like Alex Hormozy says, if you double your leads, you double your business. And you need to understand one thing about lead generation before we get in there. It's all a numbers game. So you need to understand your numbers as well. Let's do it.
So the first thing that I want to show you here is what we've deciphered that is the wrong way around doing lead generation. And many businesses do this. And this is also enticing the behavior that Facebook is pushing out, which is boosting posts and stuff like that. What the mainstream way is showing you is basically trying to tell you that boosting a post via Instagram or Facebook in this instance, or running engagement ads like in the past, it used to work, but this doesn't work anymore. It leads to getting unengagement on your pages and your posts, but you get unqualified leads. That just leads to, like I said just now, time wasting and money wasting. I want to show you guys how we do it, and this is how we teach our clients to take on lead generation right now. So this is the lead generation way. Okay, this is the way that we do it. This is the way we teach our clients, and we help them throughout the process. There's a whole bunch of nitty-gritty steps in between that we are not going to discuss in this quick little video. I just needed to show you that if lead generation is important to your business, how you should be doing it. Okay, I'm delving in this. I'm showing you transparently how to do these things for your business. So please go and do it. And if you don't know how to do it, we'll help you gladly. Okay, so as you can see on the left here, you're obviously going to start with the platform that you are most prominent on, that you have brand authority, whatever it might be. In this case, we're discussing just primarily Meta and Google Ads here. So with that being said, first issue that we saw here was that it was a simple running a boost post or engagement traffic ad, which is wrong. You need to run ads that are highly targeted towards your audience. We take care of this targeting by researching what type of industry you're in, the type of clients that might be interested. We do constant testing on that, and we develop ad strategies around that. So highly targeted ads is the key here, guys. Those targeted ads are supposed to send your leads or bookings to a landing page or a lead form of some sorts. Whether that's to your website, if you've got a great form on your website, send them there. The only thing is you need to find a way to track it. But if you're using a landing page that is after built and not your website, great stuff, because it's much more easily trackable. If you're using your lead form on Facebook specific, that is something that is also very trackable, and you'll know precisely how many leads are coming in. Here, you're going to then obviously put them in here. You need some form of CRM database of some sorts to build a database for you that helps you manage your leads, nurture your leads before you decide to contact them. Okay, this is what we offer to our clients. Our clients get this as a freebie, part of the package with us, our 333 lead gen system. They get the CRM package for nothing. Okay, it comes with it. And it will cost you anywhere approximately to develop a similar software, maybe in the few thousands per month, if I'm not mistaken. Nevertheless, this helps you push the leads through, nurture them, and make sure that you are on target with each step where they are in the process. This same CRM software, after they've gone through the landing page, puts them in an email nurture flow, as I said just now, warming your clients up, or your potential prospects, warming them up, making sure that they are ready for you to get in touch with them. That's the whole point. If you can't reach them, you're obviously going to put them through some form of retargeting campaign, which helps you gain traction again with them. We help our clients do that after we've collected enough data, just to push them back into the loop so they know about us again. And once they know about us, they'll enter this flow again from the top. It gets a little bit more intricate. A macro point of view, this is what it looks like. If you can't reach them, whatever it might be, keep following up and keep trying to phone, WhatsApp, or email, all the type of touch points that you can. Manual follow-ups, as I said, once you do that, you need to manually follow up to maximize conversion rates, because people like people. and that's a fact. They buy from people because they like to work with people. Overall, you can look at the system however long you want. If you don't understand that leads are a numbers game, you don't understand how to make leads come to your business. And understanding your unit economics of your business around a marketing perspective are very important. Next step is obviously trying to push them to some form of a booking of some sorts. I mean, if you take a beauty salon client, for example, they're going to run ads, right? Those ads are going to collect them, whether that's a landing page or a lead form, put them in the CRM software. They're going to follow up with them right away to make sure that they make the booking for their appointment. So when the guys come or the girls come to the beauty salon, they're ready to do their hair, nails, or toes, whatever they're going to do, mani-pedis, the guys are ready to pay when they show up. That's the whole point. You need to make sure that you maximize conversation and communication so you can optimize and maximize conversions. Then obviously the sale happens, like I just said. The next thing you want to do as ascension, whatever you might have that is your bigger package, your better package, the next step, whatever that might be, that's where you upsell them. You push them to the next level, making sure that they get the most value from you. And you want to try and create as many of those steps as possible so that you can always make sure your lifetime value per customer, or in other words, how much a customer spends with you, is drastically astronomical and they stay for a very long time.
Awesome. Now you guys understand how lead generation works and the typical system we actually teach to our clients, right? It's very simple. It's very straightforward. It's nothing too complex, if I can put it that way. I really think that if you are in those industries, like I said, any service-based business actually, it will do very well with lead generation. I can promise you that. If you are interested in this type of stuff, I hope that this video has helped you understand how to do lead generation for your business and the typical flow around the actual model behind lead generation. Not the typical mainstream one that Facebook and them just keep emailing people and spamming others, which is so annoying actually. So if you feel like that task of what I just showed you is too daunting, well then just hit us up, get in touch with me, let's get on a call together and let's discuss how we can take your business to the next level. I tell you from experience, it can work.